Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give it another reaction. Today we're here with Dutchavelli. Wise guy. We're here with Wise Guy. This just dropped not long ago, so we're gonna jump on it and see what is happening. I'm just like this because I just forward from the gym. You know, I was making a bit of sweat, you know. So if you see my t-shirt look a bit messy, because I've been sweating, you know what I mean? But yeah. So we are jumping this one and we're gonna see what Dutcha say. Alright, Wise Guy, my friend. Let's go. We're breaking down, so we pause it every 10 seconds or less. Yeah, Wise Guy. That is what the mafia call each other. Don't be a wise guy. That's what the Italian mafia call each other. Don't be a wise guy, like, yeah, so that, yeah. So the video start with him I get put in a nose. Forget eng. I know what going. Let's carry on. Okay, it's about to drop. I don't know what to expect, but Dutch in it. Dutch just drop the fires. Alright, so let's go.
Wise guy like Sammy Sosa. I ain't looking for no employment. I didn't get no diploma.
Wise guy like Sammy Sosa. Sammy Sosa. I'm still not name somewhere. I think Sammy Sosa was a baseball player back in the 1960s. American baseball player. I'm sure that's Sammy Sosa. That's the only Sammy Sosa me know. Unless only know one where coming at the mafia movie or something. Sammy Sosa. Wise guy Sammy Sosa. But I know Sammy Sosa is like originally he's from Dominican Republic. And he's a baseball player in America in the 60s. That's how I know.
In the trap with Yola, bag carbon.
Him say something after that.
I ain't looking for no employment, I didn't get no diploma. In the trap with Yola, bag carbon, little ammonia.
I ain't looking for no employment, I didn't get no diploma. It's not a qualification, so I didn't get. I'm not looking for no employment. He's employing himself basically, cause he must say, yo, him in the trap. You understand? Him in the trap. So yeah.
In Crow was doing us well till 12 came through and locked the bros up.
Dutchavelli never leave the jacket there. The red jacket, the Dutchavelli never leave it. Dutch, big up yourself on your red jacket.
Ammonia. In Crow was doing us well till 12 came through and locked the bros up. Freedom. See, like 10 years older than me, what fucking joke.
Okay, alright. The bass line on this track are deaf me. I'm literally fighting to listen to the music. The bass line sounds sweet, sounds nice. That beat round, but it's a deaf me, dog. Seriously.
Sat around with a super soaker, duck down, you might get soaked up.
Sit around with a super soaker, not the water gun one. The sit around like fuck around, you might get soaked up, wet up. Back 'em.
You are fucking joker. Sat around with a super soaker, duck down, you might get soaked up. I don't know what you put in your spliff. Let's just play it ain't coca.
I don't know where you put it in your spliff. Obviously the skunk is not strong enough. So what else? You season your spliff up in a Jamaica we say season spliff, because the man them season up and spliff with different things. So you might say, yo, I don't know where you put it in your place. Let's sure it's not coca. The diet one, yeah, the diet one, YouTube. That's what I'm talking about, the diet coke, yeah.
Last time that we met in the club, had you on the ropes like Adrian Broner. I ain't leaving a maggie like Homer.
This time I met in the club, him have it on the... So this shot is aiming personally at someone then? Cause it look like something happening at one club where Dutch and a youth had a fight or something. If you guys know, leave in the comment section. Then him go on to say, I ain't leaving. Hold on.
On the ropes like Adrian Broner. I ain't leaving a maggie like Homer.
I ain't leaving the Maggie like Homer. Wordplay. Bumbleclad. Wordplay. I ain't leaving the Maggie like Homer. Homer Simpson. Marge Simpson. Maggie. Him call him wife Marge. Homer call him wife Marge. So Homer and Marge there. He must say, yo, I'm not leaving the Maggie like Homer. Maggie my talking brother there. The passion me my talking now. Ha. Bumbleclad. Wordplay. I'm like that.
Slide round in the Brook Toyota, make the thing pop like cola. Last time that we met in real life, man, you had a different persona.
Him say make the thing pop like cola. Then they move on and say, fuck, when they say, last time we met in life, you're a different persona. Pussy, keep the same energy, dog. Keep the same energy, brother. If you go tough up yourself when you're there around your friend or when you're not in front of me, brother, don't tough up yourself like say man can't see and do things, brother. Keep the same energy when you see me. Anytime it's on. When you see me, it's on. Keep the same bomb clock energy. You're dealing. Pussy.
Big thing still kicking like Sterling. I'm firing a little roof over. Yeah, this game is mine. Look what I did for the culture.
Him same thing I kick like Sterling, Raheem Sterling. Him not fire a little revolver. Him not fire a 38. Him not fire a snub nose. Him a fire a big thing, a rifle. Him a fire, brother. Then him move on and say, look what me do to the game. Look what me do to the culture. You understand? No, him said this game is mine. Look what me do to the culture. Shoot.
Pagans say I blew too quick. They think that I'm working obia. I ain't playing no games like PlayStation. See me, I'm a frontline soldier. Yeah.
So the bad mind people, them the critics, them are gonna say them saying blow too quick. Him get big too quick. People are gonna say Obia. Jamaica, people know about Obia. And the people them with Jamaican background is voodoo. It's a part of it's voodoo that originated from Africa. Or black magic, or whatever you want to call it. But Obia, we Jamaicans say Obia. So I'm gonna say yo, people are say yo, he's working Obia in the game, which is not so.
I'm working obia. I ain't playing no games like PlayStation. See me, I'm a frontline soldier.
I ain't playing a game like PlayStation, but you have a PlayStation 2, brother, sir. Wait, where you get a working PlayStation 2 right now? Okay.
Do a medal 1 and 7 and dip. I heard that I can't get nicked in Angola. I pull your card, you prick. You can't take me for no rookie.
Brother, I have your file. Me pull your card, I have your file. You can't take me for no rookie. What the fuck you do? Eh, pussy? You can't take me for no rookie. Dutch I aim this have a somebody, I don't know who.
It's Dutch. From the 5th, I swing my right arm, get jukey. Don't know what they told you in fields, but right here, I'm a top boy like Sully.
Top boy with Kano them and Sully them and them man. Yeah, that man say yo, I'm a top boy like Sully. Try to know that. I don't know what them telling I feel, but me a top boy. Yeah.
But 2 new wax made both of them go right there in my juvie. Yo, what's goody? Get dropped when I put on my hoodie.
When you see mask up and put on him hoodie, you get dropped like a bad habit. He might go drop you. So you keep out there making noise like a damn exhaust. That is what you're doing. You're making noise like a bike exhaust. That is all you're doing. But when me pull up, try to say yo brother. Last time you go see something.
I'm known to bully the bully, very I get active fully. I load up, I roll up like a black clot zubi.
I roll up like a blood clot zubi.
My thing from East came true, so I give it a blood clot woody. Breaking news, you don't mention me in your blogsy man.
Wait. First him same thing come true from East, him gear the blood clot woody. Yeah, him fucker, alright.
Blood clot woody.
Yeah.
Breaking news, you don't mention me in your blogs, you might not pop up and making moves. They just try to fuck up a plate of food.
Man, I said don't mention me in your blogs, you might just... Oh, gosh. Alright, that's too much to take in. Carry on, that's too much to take in.
They wanna wrap me up like I'm Jesus. I'm it went. I got care about these pop down eaters. Big clip firing 32.
Them wanna wrap me off like Jesus. They basically must say your blood clot mad. Me not care, brother. Them clip you off for your 32. So, if you have a clip off for your 32, is a rifle man a boss, brother. The rifle man a boss. 32 to fire. Know that.
I'm richer than all these youths. Drop 10, they gon' spin back through. No way can we call it truth. No.
I'm richer than all these youths. Touch a show off in money right now. Like, he might tell us, say, yo, me richer than all them little juvenile, them little baby, them little tadpole, I'm richer than them.
It was all cool last week, they did this all for views. I get the drop is peak, fling on my shirt and my black clot shoes.
Them do it all for views, the pussy them and for clout. Clout them a do it for. He might tell us them a do it for clout. But for him a real life. You see?
Get round there, when we get round there, it's gonna be a mad thing. Driving around H-Town with Jeezy, remember when we went hard on a hunting?
H-Town, which are H-Town there? Halsden? H-Town? Where's H-Town? Leave in the comment section. What is H-Town?
Still pressure in these leagues, same way, no way. Or the pressure in the man, them I pull up with a sighting on side like Bannon. It's Dutch for the fist like share. I Clapton. Used to be the skinny little nigga with an accent. Now
obviously, he used to be the skinny little nigga with the accent because he's forward from Jamaica, so you don't know if he might have the accent and thing. So he might tell us, yo, that's not me anymore.
I got a new rack sack with the racks in fly around Europe, trying to evade taxes. Racks in the bank, got racks in the matches.
In fly around Europe, try to what?
I got a new rack sack with the racks in fly around Europe, trying to evade taxes.
In fly around Europe, trying to evade taxes. They don't want to pay the tax. Okay.
Racks in the bank, got racks in the matches. Might get dome shot, trying to get access. I don't think they don't know nothing about badness. I was in dumb.
Them don't know nothing about badness. Them boy a baby, I be a mouth them have. Him say murder people daily, put them in a body bag. Yeah. Him never say that. And me said that a while ago. Me said that. Yeah, me said that. Me.
In Paris, cognito, slide up in the Yaris, jump out, shots firing rapid. I got 9 more shots in the cannon.
So you jump out and shot a fire like rapid, and you have 9 more shots in it. At 32, tell you the same clip of 32 in 19. So remember, you know, enough shot, you know. 32 shot, enough shot, yeah.
Down, one lay down, can't try to put down anyone standing. Belly.
I'm trying to put down anyone standing. So after me go to and spray. Anybody still a stand? Still I get spray, see me. Me a try. Me still have 9 bullets. 9 bullets enough. Get it done. Run, pussy, run. So at the start of the video, them try to hang him. Carry on. Wait. Bumbleclot. That video have a deep meaning, you know, and I believe I missed a lot of it, but I'm gonna try and summarize it. Don't try them red jacket. Don't try them red jacket. Yo, that video have a deep bad song first of all. Bad song. I like the song. Bassline nice. Wordplay, I love it. The video have a meaning to it though. Me, I go interpret it how me see it and what me get off it. Basically, at the start of the video, they may have a noose around him neck and thing. And by the end of the video, the noose gone and the handcuff. You see me swing him handcuff? So the handcuff off as well. So, when me interpret from that, is like the game a couple months back was trying to silence him or trying to kill him. You know, I'm trying to make him commit suicide. Whatever you want to take it, end his life. But no, him break that and he's still firing on 10 cylinders. Okay. Big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. Guys, if you enjoy the reaction and want to see more of me on this channel, please leave a like. Thank you for the ones that subscribe already. Thank you for the one that just view that don't subscribe, just view. I really appreciate that also. But it would help if we hit the subscription button as well. And subscribe, turn on your notification bell to let you know when I drop a video. I'm getting good at this shit. Turn on notification bell and all them something there. I wasn't like that. Shit. Me elevate. I elevate. Yeah, I elevate. No escape. Guys, this is what I'm going to end the video. Big up for yourself. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.